Ballast water is used to maintain the stability of large ships sailing in the sea. When the ship is not carrying much cargo, it becomes light and can become unstable due to sea waves. To keep it balanced, water is filled into tanks located in the lower part of the ship, which is called ballast water. This water helps balance the ship from the outside, keeping it stable and allowing it to sail smoothly in the sea. When the ship reaches the port and is loaded with cargo, its weight increases. In such cases, to maintain balance, this ballast water has to be discharged.